In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track online users with Supabase. First, open the Supabase dashboard and sign into your account. From there, head to your organization's projects page. This is where you'll see all the projects you have access to. Click the project where you want to track user presence so we're working in the right place. Inside your project, look to the left sidebar and open the table editor. This is where we'll create the database table that stores online status. Click Create a Table to begin setting it up. Give your table a clear, memorable name. Something like user presence or online users works well, but use whatever naming convention fits your project. Add a short description too. Descriptions are surprisingly helpful for teammates and for your future self when you come back to this later. Now, set up the columns. In the columns section, create a column to record when a user was last active. Name this column last seen and set its data type to timestamp. This makes it ideal for storing precise date and time information. If you're wondering why timestamp matters, it's because you'll rely on it to determine whether someone is considered online based on how recent their activity is. Next, add another column. Click Add column, name its status, and set the type to text. This gives you a simple place to store values like online, offline, or away, whatever states your app needs. Keeping this as text makes it flexible and easy to query. Once your table name, description, and both columns look good, click Save. Supabase will create the table and apply the schema immediately. If your project uses row-level security, remember that you'll manage access policies separately to control who can read or write presence data. For now, we're focused on getting the structure in place. With the table created, you're ready to use it in your application code. A common approach is to update last seen whenever a user opens your app or performs an action, and to set status accordingly. You can mark someone as online when they connect and later set them to offline after a period of inactivity. This simple schema keeps your logic clean and your queries fast, making it easy to display who's online anywhere in your app. That's it. Your Supabase project now has a dedicated, well-structured presence table with last seen and status, ready to power real-time user tracking.